everyone, mabuhay. My name is Joseph Neil 14 and I'm currently residing in Purok 7, Maslog, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. I'm 26 years old. So the question therefore is, what role does your gender play in the society? In fact, I have been a bisexual since elementary school, so I have already made contributions to our society as a bisexual. For instance, I was asked to host various events such as weddings and school-related events. And I still remember the dancing festival that I participated in for our barangay to honor our patron saint. Participation in a dance for our barangay is voluntary. Additionally, I participate in various environmental campaigns. I have volunteered to plant trees and clean up the general area of Barangay Taclobo. I also joined an organization in our barangay that organizes a coastal cleanup in Barangay Maslog every 3 months, which includes not only Barangay Maslog but also an area of the municipality of Sibulan along with DENR and Philippine Coast Guard personnel. Furthermore, when I was a scholar in a non-government organization in France, we had a program called Social Service where we intended to help orphanages like Casamiani in Barangay Talay, home for the boys to teach young children to read and write. We also had this Christmas give back program where we give toys for kids and small groceries to their parents. Additionally, when my brother and his girlfriend and I visited Tubigon Elementary School, we painted their classroom, cleaned their room, and painted something on the wall. Additionally, I am responsible for budgeting all of our family's finances and occasionally looking after my nephews and nieces at home when our parents or their parents are not around or not present. So that's all I've accomplished for our society, and there will be more in the future. So once again, this is Joseph with a saying, we are born to be real, not to be perfect. Mabuhay kayong lahat and keep safe everyone. Thank you. Hello everyone, mabuhay. My name is Joseph Neil 14 and I'm currently residing in Purok 7, Maslog, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. I'm 26 years old. So the question therefore is,